Today we will do operation. For doing operation we need some tools. Our tools is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Can you guess today which topics we are going to learn? Yes, today we are going to learn problem related with 4 basic operations, chapter 5. I, Muhammad Imtiaz Hussain, teacher of class 4, Milestone Preparatory KG School, welcome to today's class. This math we will solve right now. See, in this math there are 3 operations: multiplication, minus and division. Which part we will solve it first? There is rules. Though the word is very naked word, after that we will follow that rules. That is, the name is Bodmash. What is the full form of Bodmash? B for bracket, O for off, so D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. With this order we will calculate this math. So which part is first? Can you say? Bracket of division. Division among, look, there is no bracket, so that multiplication, minus and division, which part we will calculate first? Which part? Yes, this division part. Division part we will calculate first. Division is what are the number? 6 divided by 2. Can you tell what will be the 6 divided by 2? Yes, 3. So instant of this part we will write 3, but this part we will write as usual. 7 multiply 8 minus. Now calculate it. What will be here? Yes, 3. Now we still remain 2 operations. What are the operations? Multiplication and minus. With the calculation order, which part we will do it now? There is no bracket, no division, so there is multiplication. In order, we have to calculate this multiplication first. What we will write here? 7, 8. What will be here? 7, 8 is 56. Good. 56 minus 3. Now subtraction, it is very easy. Subtract it. What will be here? From 6 we will subtract 3. What will be here? That will be 3, and there is nothing, so 5 will be there. So answer will be 53. Have understood? Check this math again. We have observed there are 1, 2, 3 operations. With the calculation order, we have to solve division first, and these 2 operations we will write same way. 7 multiply 8, then subtraction sign, then this part will be removed. Instant of this part there will be 3. Now I have observed there are 2 operations. We have to solve 1 operations. Among them, which operation we will solve it first? Yes, multiplication. That is 7 multiply 8, it will be 56. It will be 56. Now subtract it. What will be 53? That is the answer. Have understood? That is the answer. See this math. 7 multiply, bracket start, 8 minus 7, first bracket close, divided by 2. Count it. How many operations are there? Yes, there are 3 operations. Which operations we will do first? Yes, you are right. We will do bracket work first. Though there is subtraction, after that we need to do the bracket work first. inside the bracket, what are the digit? Yes, 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, we will calculate only this point. Now rest of the part we will write 7 multiply. Here I will write divided by 2. I will calculate this part and I will write here. What will be here? 8 minus 6. Yes, that will be 2. Now can you guess which part we need to do it first? There is multiplication and minus. There is multiplication and minus. So what we will do? Yes, division we will do it first. Division we will do it first. Division, this part we will do. The rest of the part I will write 7 multiply. What will be there if I divide? It is easy. 2 divided by 2, it will be 1. What will be? 7 on the 7. Answer will be 7. So I hope you understand. You have to remember the calculation order. Okay. If we do calculation order, then easily we can find out this math. This math we will solve it by easy process. Easy process, you think easy process will be if we multiply the vertically, then it will be easy. No, we have another process. If we follow that process, the math will be very easy. Our target, if we multiply with any number, any 7, 5 multiply 10, this is very easy. 7, 5, then 0. If any number, if we multiply 100, it will be 7, 5, then 2, 0. That means 10, 100, 1000, this type of multiplication, addition or division, all are easy. For that reason, what we will do? We will try to make it 100, any number. How I will make it 100? Use your brain. Look, this one, 32 into 25. 32, we know 25. With 25, what I will multiply to get it 100? Right? 25 multiply 4, it will be 100. So here this 32, such way we will divide. Here I will pick on 4 from here. Look, this is 32. Instead of 32 I will write 8 multiply 4. Look, 8 multiply 4, it will be 32. Why I have written here? Please follow this one, you will understand. Then 25, look, 4 multiply 25, we know this is 100. For that reason I prepared it. I make it, I separate 32 as a 8 multiply 4. I know 4 multiply 25, it become 100. So 8 multiply this 100 I will write. Now it is easy to multiply. What will be here? 800. Look, orally we have to think like this way. What will be here? We know 25. So it is very close relation with the 100. Look, if there is 50, I know 50 multiply 2, it become 100. If there is 25, 4, it become 100. If there is 20, if I multiply 5, it become 100. I know what are the process to make it 100. Addition also we need to think sometimes. See this math. 97 multiply 8. Our target to make it 100. How can I make it 100? I have one idea to make it 100. Look, if any number is 99, it is very close to 100. So here we can write 100 minus 1. Can we write? Then 90, 100 minus 10. Then 101, 100 plus 1. Like this way we can prepare. Look, if there is 990, 1000 minus 10. Like this, we know this number addition, subtraction, multiplication, division all are very easy. So look, there is 97. Instead of 97 I can write 100 minus 3. Look, I will write instead of 97 100 minus 3. I got 100, multiply 8. Now it is in bracket. The rules is, we have to remember the rules. I will multiply 8 with 100. 8 multiply 100 minus they again 8 with 3. 8 multiply 3. Now it is easy. 800 then minus 24. Look, if we subtract right now 800 minus 24, the answer we can get. Look, 800 minus 24, what will be here? 6. Then if we subtract, it will be 7, then 7. What will be here? 7, 7, 6. Don't you believe? I will show you the process again. Look, if we calculate this math like this way, 97 multiply 8. 8 sevens are 56. 5 is carrying 56. So 5 is carrying. 8 nines are 72 and 5 77. This answer and this answer is same. Have you understood this one? Yes. Oh, you are thinking this is easy. I also believe this is also easy. But this way also we can get the answer. Look, I did not do any multiplication. Here very simple multiplication. By orally we can get the answer. See this math. I know already you understand where there will be the mixture to make it 100. There is 4, there is 25. I will separate 92 multiply 25 multiply 4. This one I want to make it separate. Why I can make it separate? I know 25 multiply 4 is 100. This is the memorizing one. So 92 multiply 100. So it is easy. 92 multiply 0, 0. So like this way it is possible to solve it. Another extra math I want to solve you. Extra. Look, here I will write 753 multiply 990. Oh, it is the big math. How can we solve it? Oh, sir. Yes, follow me. I told you I will change this on in different way. 990 means 1000 minus 10. So I will write 753 multiply 1000 minus 10. Instead of 990 I wrote 1000 minus 10. Its value also 990. Now this math I will multiply separately. Look, 753 multiply 1000 minus this minus I will write 753 multiply 10. Look, this is separate. Now this multiplication is easy. 573 1 2 3 3 digit is here, then 753 1 0 is there. Now just only the subtraction. Subtract it and tell me the answer in comment. What will be here? Will I wait for you? Will I wait for you? I will not wait. It is your work to subtract it. Subtract 0 0. Here is 0 minus 3. It become 10. It become 9. It become 2. Already we have understand why it become 9 here. Here it would become 10. 2. 10 minus 3 7. 9 minus 5 4. 2 minus 7 not possible, here become 12, here become 4. 12 minus 7, what will be here? Here will be 5. Now 4, 7. So answer is 7, 4, 5, 4, 7, 0. My answer and your answer is match. So go for another. Express the situation to a single mathematical sentence and solve it. This math we will solve it. What is this math? Read it several times. Read it several times. It will be price of 5 pencil is taka 60. How much is the price of 9 pencil? Price of 5 pencil is taka 60. How much the price of 9 pencil? The price has been given. How much money? How many pencil and how much money? Given price. Yes, price of 5 pencil is 60 taka. Look, we need to write mathematical sentence. Now, if we cannot find out the single pencil price, we cannot find out the 9 pencil price. So can you tell what will be the 1 pencil price? 5 pencil price is 60 taka. What is the price of 1 pencil? Yes, you are right. 1 pencil price is 12 taka. How we get 12 taka? I told you we need to find out single mathematical sentence. So how can we get the answer? Yes, by dividing 60 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5. Multiply and multiply 9. Why I multiply 9? Because we need to find out the 9 pencil price. So 1 pencil price is 60 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5. We need to find out how many pencil price? 9 pencil, exactly. 9 pencil is more than the 1 pencil price. Yes, we need to multiply. We need to multiply 9. Calculation 60 divided by 5 multiply 9 taka. Which part we will do first? Have you forget that word Bodmash? B-O-D. B is first. So what will be here? If I divide, go for rub work. Go for rub work. How many times it will go? 1 time 5, 1 0, 2 times 10. Yes, we got 12. So here will be 12 multiply 9 taka. Now 12 into 9, what will be here? 12 into 9, yes, 108 taka. So answer is this first line mathematical sentence and this line together. Full process you need to show it. Okay. Now the second math I am showing you. Okay. See the next math. Monthly salary of Miss Shampa is 7,500 taka and she has spent 7,250 taka in a month. How much money does she save in a year? That one we need to write in a single sentence. That will be the mathematical sentence. Again, you have to read this math. Read and think. Monthly salary of Miss Shampa is taka 750. Salary he is earning. She earns how much taka? She earns 7,500 taka and she has spent how much taka? 7,250 taka. Now, what should we do? What should we do for finding 1 year saving? Actually, we need to find out the monthly saving. For doing monthly saving, what should we do? Yes, you are right. We need to do subtraction. So his salary, her salary is 7,500 টাকা, then subtract 7,250 টাকা. This is the 1 month saving. We need to find out how many months saving in a year. What is the meaning of year? Year means how many month? Yes, 12 month. Now if we multiply with 12, we can get the salary. So what will be the mathematical sentence? What will be the mathematical sentence? Easy. This line is the mathematical sentence. See, 7,500 minus 7,250 multiply 12 taka. Now we need to calculate. Calculation by writing calculation, we have to write 7,500 minus 7,250. This is the 1 month saving, and we need to multiply 12. Then we will write taka. Then again bracket work. If I subtract, what will be here? 0. This is 0 minus 5. It become 10. 10 minus 5. It become 5. Now this is 5 minus 2, 5 become 4, already we have taken, so it will be 12. Multiply 12 taka. Multiply it and tell me the answer. Is there any problem? No. What will be here? Subtract it, multiply it. 12 zeros are 0, 12 5s are 60, 60 0, 6 is carrying, 12 2s are 24 and 6 3,000. So her saving is 3,000. So answer is this line and this line. Both two lines is answer. Will I give you one math? Will I give you one math? Yes. So ready for one math. See the picture. What is number A? Yes. That is, price of a shingara is taka 6 and I have 100 taka note. How much is the change if I buy 10 shingaras? Are you like shingara? Shingara and samosa. Whose favorite thing is this? Can you remember? Samosa? This is not samosa, only shingara. So price of a shingara is taka 6 and I have 100 taka note. How much is the change if I buy 10 shingaras? What will be the mathematical sentence? I will write in one sentence. So remember, I have 100 taka note. From 100 taka note, I need to subtract the price, total price of shingara. So how many shingara you have bought? 10 shingara. What is the price of 10 shingara? Yes, each shingara price is 6 taka. So 10 into 6 is the total price of shingara. So in the mathematical sentence, what should we write? Yes, 100 minus 6 into 10 taka. So if you calculate, you can get the answer. Can you calculate it now? Yes, you will write calculation. Total is 100 taka I have paid for 6 shingaras price. So then I will write taka. So calculation is bracket work first. So 100 minus bracket is 60 taka. Then what will be the price? Yes, it is 40 taka. 40 taka you can get back if you buy 10 shingara. Okay. Now see the next math. Follow the next math. Here is written, price of a hill shop is taka 300 and a pair of pigeon is taka 200. How much is the cost if I buy one Ilsa fish and one pigeon? So one thing is given here. So pair of pigeon. Pair means how many? Yes, 2. Now the price of one pigeon and price of one Ilsa fish. Mathematical sentence. Write it. What will be the mathematical sentence? A Ilsa fish price is how much taka? Forget it. Forget it. 300 taka. 300 taka. That is the mathematical sentence. Plus 2 pigeons price is 200 taka. I need to find out one pigeon divided by 2. Then taka. Now you will calculate. Calculation will be what? 300 plus 200 divided by 2. We have to write this one and we have to write taka. Now what I will do? 300 plus, if I divided 100 by 2, it will be 200 by 2, it will be 100. Now what will be the answer? It will be 400 taka. Look, in a mathematical sentence way also we can solve math. Now if you practice this math more and more, you can get a good result. Hope you will practice. Okay, now I am going to give you homework. See the homework, page number 65, exercise 5.3, number 1, 2 and 3. 2 in 2 there is 3, in 3 there is 2. You must solve it. Thank you. Hope for the best. Assalamu alaikum.